This SUV crossover comes equipped with both heated seats and heated steering wheel, power windows, and door locks, leather seats and more. This clean Nissan Pathfinder has all the luxuries you want at an affordable cost. Come see us at Laird Wheaton GM in Nanaimo for all your vehicle needs. KBB.com 15 Best Family Cars. This Nissan Pathfinder boasts a regular unleaded V6 3.5-liter/213 engine powering this variable transmission. Valet Function, trip computer, transmission, continuously variable, CVT. This Nissan Pathfinder features the following options: transmission with driver selectable mode, tailgate/rear door lock included with power door locks, strut front suspension with coil springs, steel spare wheel, splash guards, single stainless steel exhaust, side impact beams, remote keyless entry with integrated key transmitter, illuminated entry, illuminated ignition switch, and panic button. Rear HVAC with separate controls, rear cup holder. Stop by today. A short visit to Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia. V9T3L3 can get you a dependable Pathfinder today.